over 13,000 medical marijuana patients without medicine, now is the time. Every man, woman, young or old, and some folks may run and hide, and some will pull up their bootstraps and fight. Some of us stood up and said, "Not on my watch." We're not going to let men like Steve Zabala and our governments, along with corporations, force the Montanian people into choosing between becoming a felon, going cold turkey, only living a fraction of their life, or even worse, becoming once again addicted to prescription narcotics like they once were at one time. Not on our watch. You have to get proactive, and you have to start self-educating and becoming your own health advocate. If you don't speak up for you, no one is going to speak up for you. We will refuse your prohibition of marijuana. We will reject your propaganda, your brainwashing that's caused ignorance and so much harm. We will continue to educate, cultivate, and medicate. We will not tolerate you, and we will rise and fight against you at all costs. Not on our watch. Montanians for a Responsible Marijuana Policy.